Start now.
Okay, guys, today we will solve different MCQs associated with food packaging, right? So try to do it me. First one, you write which of the following is a function of food packaging. Number one option, containment. Number two, protection. Number three, convenience. Number four, all.
All.
Yes, this type of MCQs have mostly having this answer all, because all are related to your food packaging. They food packaging provides these all functions, right? So all will be your correct answer. Okay, next one. Okay, you copied it. uh, shall I remove?
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
सर आपने जो लास्ट क्लास में जो पैकेजिंग के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कराए थे आपने वो वीडियो भी सर मतलब वो मटेरियल भी अभी तक दिया नहीं है सर.
अच्छा ना, मैं सेंड कर दिया था, मतलब जो तुम्हें प्रोवाइड करते हैं ये सब, तो मेरा पीपीटी मैं सेंड कर दिया ऑलरेडी उसको. ठीक है, एक बार पूछ लेना. आई हैव सेंड. ओके ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये. The shelf life of a food altered by a change in, you have to fill the correct answer in the box. Number one option, the composition and formulation. Number two, processing parameter. Number three, packaging system. Number four, environment to which it is exposed. And number five, another option, all. Which one will be the correct answer? The question is that
All.
the shelf life of a food altered by a change in, obviously all, because the shelf life of a food generally depends on the intrinsic factors. So what are those intrinsic factors? Product characteristics, including your formulation and processing parameter. And extrinsic factors are what? Environment to which the product is exposed during distribution or storage, or and the properties of the package. These all parameters, whether it is intrinsic or extrinsic, all factors are affecting. So all will be your correct answer. Okay, I am marking it. All will be your correct answer. Have you copied? Let me know then.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. Packaging can be used to provide a barrier to dash agents that spoilage of lead to spoilage of food. ये क्वेश्चन क्या ना ये क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली क्या बोल रहा है, ये जो पैकेजिंग है तो ये किसका एगेंस्ट में ये बैरियर प्रॉपर्टी शो करता है, कौन सा एजेंट्स का एगेंस्ट में. सो नंबर 1 ऑप्शन योर बायोटिक टू abiotic, 3 both biotic and abiotic, and D neither biotic nor abiotic.
Both.
Yes, both. कोई भी एजेंट्स हो, बायोटिक हो चाहे एबायोटिक हो, both are registered by the packaging material, and it is the mainly the barrier property of packaging material, क्योंकि कोई भी चीज इसको खराब कर सकता है जो प्रोडक्ट है अंदर. Okay, now it is related to the labeling of packaging material. A green colored square or triangle with a green dot at its center on packaged food indicates the food is
Vegetarian food.
processed by irradiation. Okay, let me give the treated with preservatives, vegetarian, obviously she told it is the correct answer, and these are non-meat food. So which one will be your correct answer? If any package having a green colored square or triangle with a green dot, it indicates the product is vegetarian food. So it will be your correct answer. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now you write. Which of the following cannot be used as primary packaging material for food? As primary packaging material for food. Number 1, metal. 2, glass. Number 3 option, paper. Number 4, polymer. Number 5, none. Can it is be can you use it metal?
No, sir.
Okay, glass.
Yes, sir. Drinks.
Yes, sir, we can use for
Yes,
jams.
sir. Drinks.
Uh,
में भी तो मेटल यूज होता है लेटरिंग जो हम करते हैं बट वो सिर्फ वही
Canning. Canning
नहीं।
is.
But they have not mentioned, right? If they mention,
yes,
then we
yes,
can.
yes. So none of them above will be the correct answer, because directly, suppose a paper, you cannot sold it in a wrapping in a paper. It is not allowed as per the rules of FSA standard, Food Safety Standards and Act 2006. Okay, there should be a proper packaging. Material should be justified. Metal, you cannot package it or with any kind of metal. Okay, so it is not justified. So metal means people will assume any kind of metal, any glass, any paper, any polymer. No, there is specific standards. So it is tricky question. Your answer will be none. Okay, but in case of 2-piece and 3-piece can, we are using, but there is a lacquering. One guy told, na, not direct contact with metal. Clear?
No, sir. Can you repeat again?
Actually, it is not specified, na, which type of polymer or paper or glass or metal is there. You cannot use any kind of metal, and metal you are not directly using. Lacquering is there. Okay, so directly glass, metal, paper, polymer is not your primary kind of packaging.
But glass
Clear?
we can use directly, na, sir. Glass.
Yes, glass we can use. But if then I say, then everything I can use, right?
पेपर भी हम डायरेक्ट यूज करते हैं जो बेसिकली ये बर्गर वगैरह खाने
Parchment paper also we are doing.
But
But
वो स्पेसिफिकेशन नहीं है ना, दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. अगर स्पेसिफिकेशन नहीं है तो पेपर कुछ भी हो जाए, वो न्यूज़पेपर जो है ना उसमें इंजेक्ट प्रिंटिंग रहता है, वो भी तो यूज करते हैं, बट दे आर टॉक्सिक, वायलेशन ऑफ रूल्स. So in this case you have to tick this. Okay, next question. Which of the following packaging material, which of the following packaging material may cause a change in moisture content, a change in moisture content of food during prolonged storage. Prolonged storage. Number one, glass, PET, polyethylene terephthalate, paper, none.
Paper.
Yes, paper can change the moisture content because moisture migration is high in a during prolonged storage. Moisture migration will be high in case of paper, so paper will be your correct answer. Okay, done.
Yes.
Next, the use of wood continues for some wines and spirits because of you have to fill the gap. Number one, good mechanical protection. Number two, good stacking characteristics. Number three, high weight to strength ratio. Number four, transfer of flavor compounds from wood. Which one will be the correct? Why?
Transfer of flavor.
Food. D. Food.
Why actually wood is used in case of wine or spirits for packaging? Actually, wood is very readily available, right? It's cheap, and wood is widely used for tea producing. Acha, for tea, okay, and flavor compounds is transferred from woods also to the wine or spirits. It is the main reason. So number four option will be the correct one. Next one. Teflon. You have heard about Teflon? What is this?
सर नॉन
The
स्टिक
poly-
पैन पे कोटिंग होता है.
Yes, yes. Teflon is number one option. Poly tetrafluoro. Sorry. Ethylene. Then polycarbonate. Three. Polyvinylidene chloride, PVDC इसको बोलते हैं. Okay, I am just writing. And fourth option is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. So
one.
which one will be correct?
One.
Teflon is polytetrafluoroethylene. Okay, so it will be your correct answer. Oh, sorry. Done.
Yes.
Now write down which of the following is a biodegradable plastic. Number one, PET. Two, PAN. Three, PLA, polylactic acid. Four, polytetrafluoroethylene. Abbreviation polytetra. PCTFE. So which one is a biodegradable plastic? Common sense apply करो. क्या है?
polylactic acid.
Lactic acid bacteria have you? So polylactic acid is synthesized from those.
सर डी की फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
Which one?
डी.
Last one.
Last one is your
सर पॉलीसाइक्लोटेट्राफ्लोरोइथेन.
polycyclotetrafluoroethylene. And third one, you know, a second one, polyacrylonitrile.
Once again, sir, please.
Polyacrylonitrile. Nitrile. Okay, you all know, all are PET bottles. Whatever you using your for water bottle, it is all are PET bottle. Polyethylene terephthalate. Okay, the correct answer is polylactic acid, PLA. Remember, important question.
PCTFE होना चाहिए ना सर? PCTFE.
Oh, हाँ, actually
Polycyclo.
mistake for
Yes,
writing. PCTFE. Okay. Done. Next question. Which of the following is commonly used commonly used in plastic bags? HDP, LDP, PP, and PET. Obviously, this is not PET, is not PP, also not. Between HDP or LDP?
LDP.
Yes. Film wrapping purpose it is used. Strength is very low. Low density polyethylene, and this is high density polyethylene. So LDP is used for plastic bags generally. Okay, done.
Where HDP used, sir?
HDP used generally for you have seen that semi rigid packaging material, डालडा वनस्पति जिसका ये आता है कंटेनर में. Have you
Sir,
seen this?
मिल्क पाउच में यूज होता है.
हाँ, मिल्क पाउच में यूज होता है. So ये all types of HDP and flexible अगर हो गया तो LDP, but हाँ मिल्क पाउच भी आपका फ्लेक्सिबल बट HDP यूज होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट
डालडा
वन.
वगैरह तो मेटल के नहीं होते.
नहीं नहीं, वो फ्लेक्सिबल सेमी रिजिड पैकेजिंग आता है, मेटल का नहीं होते. इधर हमारा इधर तो मैं डालडा जो फैक्ट्री है वनस्पति विजिट में गया था, उसका वो कंटेनर वही यूज करता है, सेमी रिजिड वाला HDP.
ओके सर.
LDP contains the chemical elements okay, options are carbon and hydrogen. I am just not writing carbon and hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. Which one is correct? All polymeric chains are hydrocarbons, you all know. Polyethylene, and ethylene is which kind of compound?
C and H.
You all know that there are three basic hydrocarbons are there as per their bonds or first acha, okay. So alkene, alkane, alkyne. So these all are hydrocarbons. So only carbon and hydrogen. LDP contains carbon and hydrogen. Okay.
Okay
Yes.
sir.
Next one. Which statement is wrong? Statement is wrong for LDP. I think packaging is very vast chapter. I need few classes, 1 or 2, for solving all types of MCQs. It is tough. It is tough. Semi-rigid, sorry, flexible. Number 2, it has good barrier property. Barrier property. Number 3, poor barrier to gases. Poor barrier Number 4, it cannot be heat sealed.
Sir, 1.
C4 barrier to gases. Okay, not
Actually,
wrong.
actually, this type of question, best choice you have to give. Not exactly correct. You have to go for the most appropriate answer, because ICR system, you know, ICR itself is very confusing. Just sets question in a confusing manner. So multiple option you may have found correct, but in ICR they are going for the most appropriate or the correct answer. Sometimes it will confuse you. If I look at the options, it is tough and flexible. So many packaging materials are also tough and flexible. Not an issue. It has good barrier property, poor barrier to gases. Okay, but it should be your correct answer. It is the unique characteristics. It cannot be heat sealed. It cannot be heat sealed. Okay, you have to remember this one. Done. लिख लिया आप लोग?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this question is on based on structure or morphology. LDP has dash branching than HDPE. Number 1, more. Number 2, less. Number 3, same. None.
Sir,
Why?
2. Sir, that's why it is.
No. Basic concept is wrong. Okay, I am giving you the concept. LDP means low density. Density when it lows, it is loosely bound. Means if the structure is like that, in between there are more branching. Then the void is there, porosity is there in the structure, and it is flexible, loose. If they are denser, then it will be very closely packed. All the chains or entanglements are closely packed to each other. Then your density will be high. Okay, branching is not so much possible in that case, but here branching is so much. So your structural integrity is loose in case of LDP. Okay, so if you have more branching, your structure is loose, becomes loose. Clear? So what will be your correct option?
Okay.
Okay, it's a tricky question. Next one. The 4 metals commonly used for the packaging of food are: number 1, steel, aluminium, tin, chromium. Number 2, iron, aluminium, tin, and chromium. Number 3, steel, aluminium, tin, and iron. Steel, aluminium, tin, and silver. Okay, how to choose the correct answer from this?
Or
Okay,
start eliminating with the metals.
yes,
And
see, iron cannot be possible because rusting will be there, so it
yes,
will
sir.
be cancelled out. Again, iron cancelled out, and silver is a precious metal. Silver can you use in day-to-day life? We don't found any silver packaged material generally, so it cannot be possible. So only first one will be your answer. And you all know that steel and aluminum are the most widely used or commonly used metal cans for packaging. Okay, chromium is also can be used with manganese and magnesium. Okay, directly we don't find. As a alloy you can use.
It is used as a coating, chromium coating nickel.
Lacquering. Generally, in case of aluminum, it is light packaging. It is not only used for relatively pure form. Actually, manganese and magnesium may be added. Generally, improve its mechanical properties. It's okay. Generally used for two-piece containers. It is seamless container. You two-piece container. Okay. Actually, I didn't take class on packaging like last. जो intelligent वाला है. Done.
Yes.
Okay. Now, again, the combination of tin and steel is used for packaging because of produces a material which has good strength, provides excellent fabrication, gives bright appearance, to the layer of the tin and all. You to the. Yes, when these type of options are given to you, and everyone shoots the answer, the question, then if you find all of the above, you have to tick it. Everyone is correct. Every option is correct here. Okay, done. Next one. The beer bottles are generally made of dash color glass, amber, blue, green, flint. Which one is the correct option?
Green.
No. Generally, have you seen your that bottles used for your pharmaceutical usage? Drugs are coming or any kind of medicines.
Black bottle.
Amber color.
Yes, amber. Why amber? Means brown color. Amber is a brown color basically. Actually, it filters out the that ultraviolet ray. Means ultraviolet ray, it can easily filter out. Oxidation, it protects, right?
What is flint, sir?
Sir, amber color is yellow color.
No, it's kind of yellowish and brown, not yellow. It's a brown. And there are 256 shades of color in each. That color cube, have you studied that hue, saturation, and chroma? That
Sir, what is flint?
flint is also a color. Actually, how can I give it? Okay, your correct answer will be your amber. Next one. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Not so much. And which one is used for your question? Keep that. Okay. Which one is an example of smart packaging? Oxygen absorber, time temperature indicator, indicator 3, shelf heating or cooling mechanism, 4, antimicrobial packaging film.
Self-heating, self-cooling.
Time temperature indicator.
Time temperature, yes. Others are coming under active packaging,
So
not
TTI
smart.
will be the intelligent packaging.
Time temperature indicator. Smart means intelligent, na?
Yes,
Same thing.
second option.
Yes. Actually, others are coming under active packaging.
Yes.
Active packaging is what? It's a system that changes the condition of the packaging environment to extend the shelf life. Means the increase the shelf life to improve safety or the sensory properties of food. And what is the intelligent packaging? It indicates the ability to monitor or indicate or sense. Means it does not modify the environment. It can sense or indicate something that your pH is changing, right? Indicator is there that yes, your product becomes acidic, so there is a indicator is there. So what will be your correct answer? B, right? Time temperature indicator, TTI. Okay. Next one. Now some question. For which of the following food map is not used, or map cannot be? What is map?
Modified atmosphere packaging.
Acha, can you tell me the difference between cap and map?
So in the map, we are replacing the oxygen with nitrogen. In cap, we are controlling the oxygen.
Yes.
Carbon dioxide.
Modification in atmosphere, where?
The package atmosphere.
Yes. Fresh foods and vegetables. B, meat products. C, bakery products. D, none. Any one of the means commodities, can we need a map? Map cannot be practiced for which of the following type of products.
So wherever the oil-based food is there, we can go for the map. So
These are all raw products, right? On Lakes Bakery, all raw products. Fresh fruits and vegetables, meat products, not need map. Normal cold storage. Map is required. Change in oxygen means the atmospheric condition you have to modify. Not required, right? So none.
There is not a disturbance in the air coming to the mic.
Which one will be your correct answer? Which seems to be correct?
A.
Is it so?
Sir,
Fresh food say you stored under a map. Have you seen in market?
So our question is
So we
cannot
have
be
seen only meat.
Hmm. Cannot be practiced.
in fresh fruits. We are following only controlled atmospheric.
No, no.
App is used for strawberries. We can see in the
Hmm. Means practice and use. There is a difference between this. Generally, in general, it practiced in by the pupil?
sir. I think so. The strawberries and the some cut fruits. They are map is used there.
Yes, yes, it is correct. No issue. But fresh fruits, vegetables, no requirement, ma'am. In here, all three products don't requirement, ma'am. So none of the above will be your correct answer. So this will be your correct answer. Okay. In case of map, okay, color I have to change. In map, fruits and vegetables, fruits and vegetables should maintain. Actually, in ICS system, some of the questions having confusing answers. But if you don't do, you will get negative. What is headspace? Can anyone tell me?
So bottling से पहले जो neck area में gap छोड़ते हैं, that is the head space.
Okay. And what is bulging in packaging and can? Why headspace is given?
So whatever the carbon dioxide released by the microorganisms, it will be fill up in that headspace.
Okay. Otherwise, there is a problem
Bulging,
in the container,
selling.
right?
Yeah.
If ideally the packaging material for map of fruits and vegetables should maintain. Okay, options I must give to you. A low oxygen concentration, 3 to 5%. Prevent CO2 levels exceeding 10 to 20%. A low concentration of O2, 3 to 5%, and prevent, it means both A and B actually, prevent CO2 levels exceeding 10 to 20%. And same the question For the option of C, a low concentration of 3 to 5% O2, 3 to 5%, 3 to 5%, and CO2 also 3 to 5% instead of 10 to 20%. Which one will be your correct answer?
The third C.
Actually, low concentration is avoided. Low concentration and carbon dioxide levels is 10 to 20%. Acha, okay. Okay. Why so? Is there any cause?
So in low concentration of oxygen, aerobes can be controlled.
Yes, yes. Less than 2% oxygen. Oh, what happens? Anaerobic spoilage, right? So concentration must be maintained between 3 to 5 as well as prevent carbon dioxide levels exceeding 10 to 20%, not more than that. Okay, so your correct answer will be C. Okay, for last MCQ for today. Which of the following can be used for antimicrobial packaging? Number 1, acetic acid. Number 2, cinnamon. Number 3, sulfites. And all of the above 4.
All of the above.
Oh, yes, all of them. Just all are used. Okay, again one question. Which of the following can be used to release antioxidant into a package? Niacin, alpha tocopherol, ascorbic acid, calcium hydroxide.
Niacin.
Niacin.
Ascorbic acid.
Alpha tocopherol.
Plant extracts, spices generally contain which one? Polyphenol generally. Ring, anomeric ring, that polyphenols perform the antioxidant activity, and tocopherol is that from that. Actually, antioxidant, what does it do? Its antioxidant activity shows against the lipid oxidation in different foods. It actually protects lipid oxidation. So alpha tocopherol will be your correct answer.
What is missing, sir? Is it antibiotic or it is antioxidant?
There are so many compound, antimicrobial compounds. Okay, antifungal, antimicrobial.
Ascorbic acid, it is also antioxidant.
Yes, sir.
But actually, it is released by some material, ascorbic acid. Question is that which of the following can be used to release the antioxidant in a package?
Can you explain the question, sir?
Which of the following can be used to be release antioxidant into a package?
That means along with the packaging material, we have to add this antioxidant.
Yes, yes. Yeah, ascorbic acid can be also there, but there is no option. More than one you cannot do.
That is the problem.
Yes, that's the problem of ICR system. But which one actually means more appropriate? Actually, plant extract and spices containing polyphenols, right? So they perform antioxidative activity. Alpha tocopherol is found from them. So on the basis of this, alpha tocopherol will be your correct answer. Okay. For today, this much. I will finish. Okay, next day I will also try to solve some MCQs based on packaging. It's important. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, I guess.